What's up everybody, welcome to the channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys a cool strategy. So as you guys can see, I have my Ichimoku and I also have my parabolic saw on the chart. Right now basically this is a scalping strategy, this is not a spike strategy. So what I want you to do for me is make sure to watch this video until the end. Okay guys, so let's get started. Right, so the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys how this strategy actually works. Right, so by the look of things, every time when you have a crossover, okay, so check this out. Every time when we have a crossover, right, when it turns from purple to brown, that is when we're going to take an entry, okay? But the thing is, we can't just take an entry. We need to know exactly where we're going to take the entry, right? Now, for example, when we move the chart like this, in this, okay, what you guys can see what's happening is that this, let me just zoom out, okay? You can see that the Ichimoku doesn't move, right? But the thing is, if the Ichimoku doesn't move, you must drag the screen to the left and right to check if it ain't moving, right? And then you must look at the parabolic SAR at the bottom, right? So check this out. We can see that we have a crossover over here, right? Let me just show you guys. Over here is a crossover. And when we look closely, we can actually see that the parabolic saw was at the 10 level, right? Let me just mark it up. Right, where can I move this? Okay, I can't move this. Right over there, there's where the parabolic saw is. Okay guys, so check that out. Right, so when the parabolic saw is the 10 level and the Ichimoku has a crossover, it's time for us to take entry. For example, 1 2 3 4 5 candles, then we're out of the market. Okay, now I'm just gonna show you guys a few more entries, then I will reveal the settings to you guys, then the video is done. Right, check this out. Over here, we can see that the parabolic saw was already the 10 level, and when we zoom out, it didn't move. Okay, now let's look at the Ichimoku. The Ichimoku did move, so that means that the entry is not valid, right? Now let's just look for a nice entry. Okay, so over here, we can actually see that the Ichimoku over here, okay, it doesn't move, right? So what it basically means is that entry, okay, that's an entry, but we do not enter when it's purple. We wait patiently for it to turn brown, right? So over here we can see that it turned brown, and when we look at the parabolic SAR, we can see, okay, it's already at the 10 level. But before we enter, you must drag the screen to the left and right to check if it doesn't move. So we can see that the Ichimoku and the parabolic SR doesn't move, so that means the entry is valid. So check this out. Take 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 candles, we out. We only take 2 to 5 candles, then we're out of the market, right? So I'm just gonna show you guys how to use this in Boom 1000, and then I'm gonna reveal the settings. Okay, so when we go to Boom 1000, we do the exact opposite, right? So over here we can see that Ichimoku is brown, right? And when it turns purple. So check this out. Brown. Now we wait for crossover. Okay, over here is a crossover. Let me just remove that. Okay, let me just remove that. Here it's purple, right? You can see it's purple over there, right? So what does that mean? It means that it's time for us to take a sell. Once it's brown, okay, and it doesn't move, and then it turns purple, we look at the parabolic side at the bottom. So if the parabolic side is at the 90 level and the Ichimoku turns purple, it's time for us to take an entry. So check this out. It didn't move, right? It didn't move. Look at this. Take 2 to 5 candles. Okay, here's our entry. 1. Let me zoom in. 1 2 3 4 5 candles, then we're out of the market. So here was a lot of entries, but the thing is, guys, check this out. You first need to determine the trend of the market. So for example, we could saw, okay, over here, right, that the market was in a downtrend, right? Let's say, for example, if the market was in an uptrend, then by no means necessary must you enter with scalping trades, right? You should only look for spikes. Right now I've dropped spike strategies on my channel, and I'm gonna drop more spike strategies on my channel. So if you don't want to miss that strategies, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Okay, so check this out. You can see in Boom 1000, right? The market was in a downtrend, And when we go to the 1 minute time frame, there was a lot of entries, right? Check that out. Look at it. Okay. Where's the entries at? Okay, there's an entry. So we can see here's an entry, okay? We can see the crossover over here, right? Take 2 to 5 candles and look at this over here. The parabolic saw was also the 90 level. So that means the entry was valid, right? And over here was another entry. Look at that. You guys can see the parabolic side, the 90. Ichimoku, the 90, doesn't move. Purple, we take an entry. Okay, guys, so let me just reveal the settings and then I'm done with this video. Okay, so the first indicator that we need is our RSI. Period 1, apply to close styles, 2 pixel blue, levels, 90, sell, 10, buy. Okay. The other RSI should be the same as the first RSI, and the Ichimoku should look like this. The parameters should be, the Tenkan Sen should be 1, Kansen Sen 1, Senko Span B30. You fill it in, the color should be like this. Tenkan Sen 2 pixel red, Kansen Sen 2 pixel blue, up, 1 pixel brown, down, 1 pixel purple, Senko Span 2 pixel green. Okay, and when we look at the parabolic saw, the steps should be 0.02, the maximum should be 0.2, styles 2 pixel green, and there you have it. So thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to join my free Telegram group. If you find any value in this video, make sure to smash the like button because that will make me see that you appreciate my hard work. Thank you.